Hello everybody, today we're going to learn how to remove the black background, a white background, or green background from a video within Final Cut Pro. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is upload or import your media. I have downloaded this stock video right here, and let's say I want to place this airplane video on top of that. See, if we just drag it over here, we're gonna have that ugly green screen in the back, and we don't want that. So the first thing you want to do is go over to your effects browser right over here, click on that, and make sure you select all and search for keyer. All right, once you find these two keyers right here, the one we want to use is the keyer one, not the Luma keyer, just the regular keyer. If you just click on that and drag it over to the video with the green screen, drop it, it will automatically do it for you. As you can see, we have now removed the green background and is within our stock video. So let's say it's a black background and you're trying to remove the black background from a footage. The same things apply here. You would use the keyer and just click on the keyer and then drag it over to the footage you want to delete it on. But as we can see here, it's a little transparent in the middle, and it gives the rest of the footage, the bridge footage, tint to it. It darkens the image a little bit. As you can see here, there you go. So what we want to do here is come over here to the keyer effects, and where it says sample color, click on that and just drag a box over and just mess around with it and see what looks good. As you can see, as when I put it close to the edge, it looks the best. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like that. You can even mess around with the edges with the edges tool. You just click on the image around the edges and just drag up to the side and just mess around, see what looks good. Kind of like it like that. It looks pretty good to me. And there you go. You have a sun in the middle of a bridge. Now the last one I want to do is this Instagram promotion video I have made with my URL. And if I let it play and leave this cursor thing right here and just bring in the keyer to it, it does a weird effect where it just, it just doesn't look right. And if I try to fix it with a sample color, it just takes out the blue from around the Instagram. So we're gonna click on the keyer and delete that. I'm gonna go back and we're just gonna put this all the way to the beginning. And now we're gonna draw the keyer again, and now you can see that it leaves some of the blue now, but now when I do the sample color and go outside of it, it does a much better job at leaving that blue in there. But you can see that some of the blue is still faded in the middle where the shadows of the Instagram logo is at. So what you want to do in that case is come over here to the keyer effects options, and where it says fill holes, just drag that up and just mess around with it until all the way up until it fills the holes. And now you could see we have successfully removed the black background and left the shadows within the logo.